Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we'll explore the essential dishes, vegetarian options and seafood bites that make Spanish tapas and pinchos unforgettable. Plus, we'll share tips on how to enjoy them like a local. Let's continue. The art of the pincho and the famous toothpick rule. When you visit San Sebastian or Bilbao, the rules of the game change. You'll see dozens of different snacks on the bar, each with a wooden toothpick sticking out of the center. Some have layers of grilled goat cheese and caramelized onions, while others feature spicy peppers and cured meats. You simply take a plate, pick what you want, and start eating. But don't throw those toothpicks away. The toothpick is actually your receipt. When you're ready to leave, the bartender counts the sticks left on your plate to determine how much you owe. Some places use different lengths or colors of sticks to represent different prices. It's an honor-based system that shows how much trust exists in the local community. It also makes paying the bill much faster, so you can head to the next tavern for another round. Essential dishes you must try on your food journey. Spanish cuisine relies on a handful of high-quality ingredients that do most of the heavy lifting. You'll find that extra virgin olive oil, fresh garlic, and sea salt appear in almost every dish. Since the country has a massive coastline and rich farmland, the ingredients are always seasonal and bright. When you're looking at a menu or a crowded bar top, certain classics stand out above the rest. These dishes have stayed popular for decades because they strike a perfect balance of texture and heat. Dish name: main ingredients, flavor profile: tortilla española, eggs, potatoes, onions, savory and comforting patatas, bravas, fried potatoes, spicy sauce, crispy with a kick, gambos al ajillo, shrimp, garlic, chili, buttery and bold, gilder, olive, anchovy, pepper, salty and vinegar. Forward. The table above shows just a small sample of the variety you'll encounter. Each region puts its own spin on these basics, so it's always worth trying the house specialty wherever you go. Classic vegetarian options like tortilla and patatas bravas. If you want to understand Spanish food, you have to start with the tortilla española. This isn't a thin flour wrap like you find in Mexico. Instead, it's a thick, hearty omelette made with slow-cooked potatoes and onions. A good tortilla is slightly runny in the middle and tastes incredibly rich despite having so few ingredients. It's a staple at every tapa bar, and people often argue about whether it should include onions or not. In addition to the tortilla, you'll almost always see patatas bravas on the menu. These are cubes of white potato that have been fried until the outside is golden and crunchy. They come drizzled with a brava sauce, which is a smoky, slightly spicy tomato-based topping. Sometimes, bars add a dollop of creamy garlic aioli to balance the heat. These dishes are simple, but they're the ultimate comfort food for locals and tourists alike. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.